Welcome to the channel. Today we'll determine whether when is a verb or not, right? Okay, let me give you some interesting definition of verb, right? What is verb? Okay, please read this sentence with me. Verbs are the action words in a sentence, and verb describe what the subject is doing, right? Verb are the action words in a sentence that describe what the subject is doing. Okay, let me tell you another definition of verb. A verb is a kind of parts of speech that tells about an action or a state. It is the main part of a sentence. Without verb, you can't make a sentence, remember, right? For example, I eat, he eats. Here, eat is a verb, right? Okay, let me tell you another definition of verb so that you can have deep knowledge. Verbs are doing words, right? A verb can express a physical actions, a mental action, or a state of being. A state of being means like this: he is a student. He is a student. Here, is expressing a state of being. Okay, now come to the main point. Is when a verb. The answer is no. You can't use when as a verb, but you can use when as a conjunction or a pronoun, even as an adverb. Let me give you some examples so that you can have clear knowledge. Look at this example. Things were better when he got a job. Here, when is connecting this clause with this clause. So here, when is a conjunction. We know that a conjunction can connect two clauses. Look at this example. You can go when the bell rings. So here, when is also connecting two clauses. Here clause 1 and here clause 2. So here when is a conjunction. Okay. Now we'll look another important uses of when. Okay, let me write an example. You will return in the morning. Look at here, in the morning is a prepositional phrase, but it is acting here as an adverb because it is modifying the verb return. When you will return in the morning, right? So this is an adverb. But if you want to make a question with this sentence, then you have to write when will he return. Here, when is a adverb and it is modifying the verb return. You know that adverb can modify verb, right? Okay, you will have a blog post in the description box of this video. To get more information, visit that blog post. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.